Think of your favorite childhood game and the rules for playing it. Because you knew the rules of the game, you were probably good at playing it. The rules dictated what you could do, what you should do, and what you should not do. Following the rules made the game enjoyable and contributed to your success. Now, imagine playing the same game without knowing the rules. You probably would not be very good at the game and would likely not know what to do to win or even to finish the game. You probably would not enjoy the game and certainly would not be nearly as successful at the game as if you had known the rules for playing it. Like many things in life, college is a game. It is a long and important game, but it is a game. Like any game, there are rules. And the more familiar one is with the rules, the more likely one will be successful in the game of college. Think back to your first year of high school. What do you know now that you wish you had known then? How would your high school experience have been different if you had known then what you know now? Many students do not learn the rules of the game of college until much later in their college careers, if at all. By learning the rules of the game of college now, when you graduate, you will not have to think back on your college career and wonder how it would have been different if you had known the rules earlier. There are only 3 rules for the game of college. Go to class, complete assignments, and manage your time. Each of those rules, however, includes several components.